This lake is in serious trouble. This is Canyon Lake, located in central Texas. Canyon Lake used to be a Clearwater oasis for central Texas locals, but has now started to dry up at an alarming rate. And the real question is why? It's lost over 20 feet of water.
I lived here 40 years ago. I mean, I used to fish, and those trees were barely sticking out of the water.
Please.
Yeah, I mean, all this rain, I don't think it brought it up even a 0.1.
You need like a hurricane, right? I mean, you need like a legitimate. Dang, dude.
I know, right? It's amazing. Sad to hear about those kids, though.
Yeah,
I mean, it just happens so fast.
too bad.
I mean, they're everywhere. That is so much water coming in this lake. This lake has been so low. But there's logs and all kinds of stuff scattered downstream going towards the dam. Crazy.